Hi everyone, this video is about how to make a video from photos. First, let us enjoy a travel slideshow. Then follow this video to learn how to make it. Launch MiniTool MovieMaker and import photos. Add photos to the timeline. Rearrange photos and then adjust the duration of the photo. Click Transition and choose the suitable transitions for photos. Switch to the Text tab and choose the desired caption. Enter the text, then you can change the font color, size and type. After that, click on OK. Import your favorite background music and add it to the timeline. Then rename the file and click Export. MiniTool begins to make a video. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.